Hi, Judy Fitzpatrick here at Canada Smart Plan. And yes, it's tax time 2014. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save and put in your pocket between, on average, $1,000 to $1,500 extra per year. Now, this is all related to your health expenses. And if you go to cbc.ca, every year they've got tax tips. And this year they updated their 9 tax tips that can save you money. I'm going to read to you number 9 of their tax tips. It says, tax experts say missed medical expenses are the most overlooked tax break. Many people don't bother to add up everything because of the income-related threshold. Only expenses that exceed the lesser of $2,152 or 3% of net income can be claimed. Now, what are they talking about there? They're talking about the medical expense tax credit that you claim personally. And this isn't what we're talking about here. There is something they don't even mention, and it is so important for the Canadian small business owner or self-employed professional, and that is the private health services plan. So if you put a private health services plan in place, forget about the medical expense tax credit. So few people ever get to use the medical expense tax credit because they have to get to that minimum threshold of expenses to even be able to have a credit on the amount that goes over it. Well, if you're a Canadian small business owner or self-employed professional and you put in place a health spending account or a private health services plan, then you can claim every health expense that you and your family have from the first dollar to however high it gets. If it gets to be $1,000, then hey, you claim $1,000. If it gets to be $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, whatever, you get to claim that. And it's claimed against business income, so it becomes a business deduction rather than a tax credit. And you get to get reimbursed from your business on those health expenses tax-free. So basically, you are going to be saving whatever your tax bracket is, between 30 and 40%. Now, my clients, on average, if you look at all of my clients, whether they, they've got $1,000 in expenses or $15,000 in expenses per year, on average, all my clients, the average amount claimed per year is about $2,500. And if the average is at a 35% tax bracket, this plan will save them about $500 per $1,000 in expenses in taxes that they don't have to pay. So on $2,500, that's going to be about between $1,000 and $1,500 depending on your tax bracket. So between 30 and 40%, it's going to be saving you that much money that you will pay without this, and you won't pay if you put this in place. It's that simple. So the medical expense tax credit on $2,500 isn't even going to touch it because you have to get to the $2,100 threshold. Then that little bit that's over, you get a tax credit at about a 25% tax rate. So it's negligible what you actually save versus what you save using the private health services plan, or otherwise known as the health spending account. That's what we do here at Canada Smart Plan. With us, it is absolutely free to set this up. It takes you about 2 minutes to put it in place, and you are good for the life of your business, and you are going to save that much money every year. If you don't put this in place, you're just giving that money away to the CRA. If you put this in place, if you take those 2 minutes and put this in place now, you get to save that money and put it in your pocket. Hey, so question for you. Would you like to put that money in your own pocket, or would you like to just continue giving it to the CRA? The choice is yours. All you need to do is take those 2 minutes, set this up, and you'll be saving thousands of dollars over the years in taxes you're otherwise just giving away by default because you don't have this in place. So go do it now. Go to canadasmartplan.com and put your plan in place with us and start saving money on taxes you don't have to give to the government by putting this in place. Okay, we look forward to serving you.